We're Group 35 and we've implemented a smart water tank monitoring system. There's two main components to this watering system. First of all, we have the hardware component. So it's been built into this nice removable housing so you can easily attach it to all water tanks. It's got the ultrasonic sensor coming out the bottom and a on-off switch, which is mainly just for the purpose of this demo. And then we also have the software aspect of this project, which does the weather monitoring and also the monitoring of the water tank, and gives the user water usage suggestions based on both the tank capacity and the predicted rain. So looking at the hardware aspect in more detail, first of all we've got this housing which is made to be universal to attach to all water tanks easily, just with a few nuts and bolts. So then inside the housing, the main component is the Arduino Uno, which is our microcontroller being used for this project. It's powered by a 9-volt battery. And then this unit also has a Bluetooth module which connects to the software aspect of the project, so the user can see the features including the weather usage information and the tank level. And then finally we have the ultrasonic sensor, which is just sending down sound waves to measure the distance from the top of the tank to the top of the water.
So to complement the hardware section of this program, we've developed an Android app which is suitable for all Android and Google phones. There's three main sections that comprise this app. These are tank information, weather information, and settings. First of all, the settings need to be configured to suit both your house and your water tank. These three options that need to be chosen are height, radius, and roof area. The height and radius allow us to calculate information such as the volume of the tank, as well as the amount remaining in the tank, while the roof area lets us work with the weather system to calculate how much rain will be captured after a rainfall period. So the next main section is the weather information. Now for the weather section we use the API call to openweather.org, which gives us back certain information about the predicted weather for the next 5 days. The two pieces of information we've picked out is the predicted rainfall, which is in millimeters, and the overall condition, which can be light rain, sunny, cloudy. So as you can see here on screen, we have this listed for the next 5 days, which can help the user predict manually. Probably one of the main features in this section is the weather warning, as shown here up the top. This section calculates the predicted overflow in litres of your tank and suggests activities based on what you could do with the remaining water to avoid this overflow. This has suggestions such as washing your car if it's under 100 litres, or more water-intensive things such as filling up your pool if it's in a more 1,000 litre. The last major section of this application is the water tank information screen. So once the user has initially paired their phone with our device, this screen will automatically connect to the device whenever it is loaded. Inside this screen you can get information such as the distance from the top of the tank to the top of the water, the volume of water remaining, the percentage full the tank is, the 24-hour consumption rate, and how long before the tank will empty at this current rate.
Okay, so now we'll show you a live demo of the tank information section working. I'll move this and you can see the app on this other screen beside me here move dynamically as we do it. So as you can see, I've got this the water level, which is the metal plate on the top setting of the jig, and as you can see on the app, it's a distance of 6 centimeters from the top of the tank until the metal plate, which is approximately 83.3% percentage full. And you can see, hopefully as I lower it, the 24-hour consumption rate will increase and the days left will go down. So I'll now move it. Okay, so you can see the water level has changed on the jig. The app updates about every 4 seconds, so we should be getting a reading now of approximately 17 centimeters from the top of the tank into the water. And as you can see, the 24-hour consumption rate has gone up and the days left has gone down. So now we'll go down to the next setting. Alright, so now it's on the second lowest setting, and you can see we're getting a distance reading of, we'll just wait for it to refresh. We're getting a distance reading of 27 centimeters from the top of the tank into the water level, which is the metal plate, and a percentage full of 25%. And as you can see, the consumption's gone up and the days have gone down finally. Just wait for the app to refresh. So as you can see, we're getting a distance from the top of the tank to the bottom of 36 centimeters, which is the height we programmed in for the tank, and it's saying a 0% full. and once again you can see there's 0 days remaining now, and the 24-hour consumption rate has gone up. Alright, that's it for the live demo.